child locks? But I'm no child. What is it about preconceptions of behavioral traits that, no matter what, consistently work against you in any situation? Whether it's the male trope of leaping without looking, always damning one to the fire of misfortune, to the trope of women being weak. This one is certainly not true. And I know this now. Well, falling into this trap of my own disposition has finally been my undoing. Had I headed straight home after work to spend time with my wife, this wouldn't have happened. Instead, I decided to hit the local bar with some workmates first, which turned into a small stint at a local strip club. It wasn't long until I was abandoned by those who accompanied me and was left alone to indulge in a lap dance. I don't know why I let her convince me to follow her out to her car, or to climb into her back seat. Maybe it's because she was so attractive, or maybe it's because I've always perceived the opposite sex as weaker. But something wasn't normal. Even with her top off, kissing me, I could tell that something was wrong. This girl was far too strong for her size, able to pin me in place as she bit down onto my neck, no matter how hard I struggled. I reached for the door handle and pulled, but it would not open. Then she said something to me with her fanged smile that I will never forget for the rest of my life, however long that may be. She uttered a single phrase that sent shivers down my spine and made my blood run cold at the implications of functional fallacy. With a grin, she calmly whispered that my attempts to open the door were futile, conveyed with two simple words: child locks. And I knew that the hidden truth of things had rendered me unfortunate again, because I was no child, only food.